What's up, everybody? It's me, back again. We're playing more Ninja Legends. Ninja Legends. Do I want to join the stream? Sure, why not? Want to hit yes? Or not? Whatever. I got another link, and I'm back to Midnight Shadow Island. It's the best island. I'm ready to go up there and I have 20 double jumps. I need tons of monies. Um, and just what's it? Uh, wanna grab me? You are straight. Whatever. It does 102 FE. I say 30 clicks. I'll get my Using the belts, I like the wood. No, the belts. The belts, still the Spectrums was quite a lot. So guys, should I go up to the midnight ship? No. Mythical Soul Island, I think it was called. Or should I do something else? I don't know, guys. This video is going to be a little shorter. I really had nothing to do. So I just decided to make a video in the morning. Oh, should I buy the next range? I'm gonna wait. Yes, I'm gonna get that. Almost there. My finger is just spamming the button for the ninja too. It's taking forever. Uh-oh. I'll take you. This went a lot better. So guys, I know I'm in the millions of billions of cheap right now. I think I could go to the shop down below there. Get myself something from the dog shop. Right. Oh, that looks super Get back here. Does anyone want to fight me? That was awkward. No. Anyone? No wants to fight. Whatever. Top light ninja talk. So the white ninjas are better than the guys in the 900 1,000 in the 7,000. Teleportation. Roll myself up with a chicken. Ah, no, I roll myself. This is almost 200. Exactly. Where's things to me? Look how quick that was. And where's the SB? Look how quickly. It's Christmas Eve for my time. I'm gonna make a video maybe on Christmas, maybe after Christmas, or something like that. So guys, if you comment on one of my videos after Christmas, tell me what you comment, or why am I saying this right now? Whatever. So I'm just gonna grind out a little. I can't pause it, I don't know how. So you might have to watch me. Right there. Mr. Guy in the that guy there who's rocking. Can you come over here so I could finish you off? Let me show you what a duel is like. First you get 100 gems. 3, 2, 1. You're just gonna stand here. Oh, that guy might have the same one. Yeah. Ah. Ouch. That's the duel. You don't always die, but sometimes. Oh, I could got him. 1, 2, 3. You want huge. My body broke. Got one. My mouse. This thing's touchscreen. Oh no. This is enough for at least 3. Do you think it? I'm going out like mad. Mm. 320. At least I got 2. Was the like busting in the flipping wheels? Yeah, I skipped 2 of those. I'm just gonna buy an even bigger belt. Master Thunder. So I do not. Na 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 na. How much does this give me? It has to be pretty good since it's 16 septillions. I take. I still don't have enough money. Boy, I'm gonna get some point. Guys, I'm gonna have to end the video off here. So, see you later. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and bye.